If you're looking at this video, you probably have an unwanted swamp, newly arrived quicksand, or, as in our case, a swimming pool in your front or backyard. No one wants to know about a water meter connection until you have a problem with your water main. If this is your situation, you have my condolences. But now, you're getting the knowledge to solve this problem. I'm Margaret Rausch. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you'd like to learn more about DIY, smart home, and other home-related stuff, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. This is a water meter coupling, also known as a water meter nipple. The great news is that this part is not a fixed piece. The water meter coupling is meant to be easily removed. You don't have to break out a torch, flux, and solder to take the part next to the meter apart or put it back together. Let's look a little further at this easy-to-see setup, which is inconveniently uncovered and located in my front yard. Code dictates there should be a 3-foot copper whip coming off the water main at both ends, off the meter and off the water riser. This one is well past the requirement, but you can see a slip compression joint between the copper and the less expensive PVC. This is from a previous repair by a prior owner of our property. By removing the slip joint and the water meter coupling, there's enough wiggle room to remove and replace the old copper whip with a new one. A water meter coupling comes with a replaceable O-ring. If your meter is leaking, it might be the case that the O-ring is failing and needs replacement. You are responsible for everything on your side of the meter. If the meter is leaking on the other side, you can call your water service provider and they can help you with the problem. Before you start digging, make sure to call 811 so your service providers can mark the water, electrical, and cable lines going through your property and you can safely dig. Also, remember to check in with your local building department to learn the proper plumbing code requirements for your area. In our case, we're replacing like for like, though swapping out a PVC for PEX-A between our copper whips. We do not require a permit or inspection, but we have a friend that's helping to make sure we complete the job correctly. So remember, if you have a 1-inch line coming from the meter, you may need a 1-inch water meter coupling. The sizing information can be found on your water meter. Our water meter has a 3/4-inch coupling that sizes up to a 1-inch water supply line feeding our riser. We're replacing this old copper and PVC with the same sizes by using new and undamaged materials. The water meter coupling I showed in the beginning is actually a 3/4 water meter coupling, 2 of which are required and supplied with a Fin Plus. Fin Plus is a water monitor and shutoff system we're installing to monitor and detect leaks in the supply plumbing of our home. For full disclosure, we are not plumbers, but as you can see, we do tackle some pretty big DIY projects and enjoy sharing our experiences with you. Consider subscribing to see how we install the new water line, construct a new water riser, and install Fin Plus. I'll also leave links in the description as these videos come out and you can learn right along with us. I wish you the best of luck in your plumbing project and I will see you next Friday.